Okay, subtracting fractions using borrowing. So let's check to see if we can subtract these. First, you check and see if the denominators match, 7 and 7. So can you subtract the whole numbers in front? 4 and 1, good. But can you subtract the numerators? And the answer is no. So we need to stop there and do some borrowing. We're going to borrow 1 from the 4. So when we borrow 1 from the 4, it becomes a 3. And the 1 that we borrow goes next to the 2 sevenths, minus 1 and 5 sevenths. Now from here, we're going to use the 1 by multiplying and then adding. So we have our 3, and denominator is 7. Okay, 7 times 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay, so and then we're going to subtract the 1 and 5 sevenths. Okay, so now everything matches. Same denominators. 3 is bigger than 1, 9 is bigger than 5. We are ready to subtract. 1 from 3 leaves 2, 5 from 9 leaves 4, and denominator is 7. Okay, once again, okay, denominators match, 9 and 9. We can take 2 away from 5, but we can't take 2 away from 4, so we have to borrow. So we're going to borrow 1 from the 5. The 5 becomes a 4. Then plus 1, there's the 1 we borrowed, next to the 2 ninths, minus 2 and 4 ninths. Now we're going to take the 1 that we borrowed and we're going to multiply and add. Okay, so let's get ready for that. So this will be a 4. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 2 more makes 11. So that's 11 over 9 now, minus 2 and 4 over 9. And now the numerators, we have a larger numerator here. So let's subtract. 2 from 4 leaves 2. 4 from 11 leaves 5. And the denominators are 9. Okay, next we have 8 and 8 that match. We can take 3 from 8, but we can't take 5 from 2. So we need to borrow from the 8. The 8 will become a 7, and the 1 that we borrow goes next to the 2 eighths, minus 3 eighths. Oh, sorry, 5 eighths. Okay, now we're going to multiply and add here. We're actually turning the 2 eighths into an improper fraction to get the numerator to be larger. So the 7 comes down. 8 times 1 is 8. Plus 2 more is 10. So we have a 10 over 8 now, minus a 3 and 5 eighths. Now we'll start subtraction. 3 from 7 leaves 4. 5 from 10 leaves 5, and the common denominator is 8. On the next one, our denominators match. We can take 2 from 5, but we can't take 4 from 3, so we need to borrow again. So the 5 becomes a 4, and plus 1 that we borrowed next to the 3 tenths, minus 2 and 4 tenths. From here, we're going to multiply and add to turn this into an improper fraction. So there's be multiplication here and adding there. So what we'll get is 4 here, and 10 times 1 is 10, plus 3 more is 13. It's 13 over 10, minus 2 and 4 over 10. Now let's subtract. 2 from 4 leaves 2, and 4 from 13 leaves 9, all over 10.